Hey guys, welcome back to Kittle's Garage. Today we're working on Cindy's truck, 2015 F-150. I did a video earlier which I thought was our issue was another part inside the truck, but that was not it. So I ran the truck up to the auto parts store and they put their little computer on there and they said the throttle body was malfunctioning. So we went and got a new one. That was 105 bucks. Now I did kind of jump the gun here a little bit and I started taking this apart and I got everything loosened up, so I'm ready to pull that off. So we'll let this play out, see how things go. I'll talk to you here in a second. It's got 4 screws here that holds it on. I should say bolts, not screws. Bolts. And that is one. I did disconnect the battery. They said that that's how you reset the engine check light, which is on. I'm not really sure how long you need to leave the battery unplugged, but we'll do it until we get this all put back together and then we'll hook the battery back up. There's 2 bolts. And if you're wondering, this is the 3.5 V6 twin turbo EcoBoost. There's 3 bolts and 1 more. There. Ouch. Stupid thing's still hot too. I should let it cool down a little bit, but I want to get this going so I can check it, making sure she's alright, because I gotta go back to work tomorrow and Sunday. Bolt number 4 is out. Pop this out. Yay! Ooh, man. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or it's kind of dirty. New one doesn't look like that though. Change the gasket out. Alright. And show you the new one, show you the old one, see what happens. Got the new gasket. Put that into place. I think so. Grab the new throttle body. Set that down into place. Get my bolt started. Bolt number 1. Oops. Bolt number 2. Come on. Come on, you jerk. There. Bolt number 2. Always hand start everything. Do not want to strip anything. Bolt number 4. How we doing? Well, we got 5 minutes. We're doing good on time here. I don't want to bore you guys with all this, so. When I'm done here, I'll take pictures of the old stuff and show you guys. All right, there's 3 bolts. And 4 bolts. Tighten them up. Snug. And this silly thing, I'll do this one down here. Alright, tighten that up. Don't overdo it, don't want to break them. That's 1, 2, can't get this one out of my way. Come around next to here, guys. That one's tight. And one more. Tight. Tight. And double check that one. Tight. Alright. 4 bolted done. And click the harness back up. Lock it into place. She's locked. Put this thing back on. And come on, baby. There we go. Yeah. Pop. And get the screwdriver on here. Tighten these up. Tightening up the clamps here. I don't know if you can't really see them, but. And if you're wondering, I'm using my new tripod, which seems to be working pretty good. Yeah. We're going to use the wrench on these. tight. Clamp 2 is tight. Make sure I didn't forget anything down there. Nope. That's all tight. That's on. Okay, put this hose back in. She's in. Tighten her up. Alright guys, I hope this works. This Cindy's gonna kill me for $105 if it doesn't work. Alright, that's tight. And we'll hook the battery back up. $10mm for that. And put the negative on first. Oh, you guys can't see me, can you? Alright. That's can you see me? Oh, there's better. Alright. Tighten it up. Tight. And put the positive on. Positive on. Oops. It is that. Alright guys. Take you out of here. Go down here. Can you see out there? Oh. There's a new throttle body. Alright. Yeah. I already showed you that one. I already showed. Yeah, we're good. You know what's going on. Alright. I want to thank everybody for following me. Subscribe. Hit like. You guys know what to do. We'll work all this together. Talk to you guys later.